Welcome to the Solax instructional installation video series. We will guide you through the installation and commissioning of ESS-TRENE. Before installation, please prepare the following tools to ensure the installation. Please note that the following conditions are met. Use a forklift to move the cabinet to the installation site. TRENE offers two mounting options, forklift and crane mounted. Please choose installation methods according to the actual situation. For forklift installation, please follow the instructions in the picture strictly. For crane installation method, please strictly follow the steps below. Remove the M20 screws inside the top eye bolt holes using a torque wrench. Insert and clockwise the eye bolts. Please remember, put the silicone gaskets in place before inserting the eye bolts. After determining the installation position of the cabinet, align the holes on the angle support with the holes on the cabinet, and draw a circle on the bottom of the angle support. There are totaling 4 angle supports for a cabinet. Drill holes at the previously marked positions. After drilling, clean the foundation surface with a vacuum cleaner. Mounting screws, ensuring that the screw holes on the angle support align with the screw holes on the cabinet and foundation. Use a rubber hammer to drive the expansion bolts into the foundation screw holes, and then tighten them clockwise with a torque wrench. After the angle supports have been installed, take out the covers to seal the forklift hole and tighten the screws. Each cover has 4 screws, with a total of 4 covers. Remove the protective cover and install the antenna. Fold the antenna up 90 degrees. Take out the antenna, and make sure that it is securely inserted and tightened by turning it clockwise. Unscrew the screws and remove the cover. Insert the grid cables through cable threading holes. Remove the cable cover. Remove cable clamp. Attaching but not securing cable clamp. After the connection is done, please do not forget to seal with fireproof mud. For the power on procedure, please strictly observe the following sequence. Turn on the switch of distribution box. Open up the electric switch in the order shown in the video. Power on the UPS. Turn on the switch of high voltage box.